Good morning, my dear students. Now today I am going to discuss the next topic, principle of duality. What is the meaning of principle of duality? Basically we will change the OR logic to and to OR, and if there is 1 then we will change it to 0, and if there is 0 then we will change it to 1. This is the only duality principle. Now in this as it is given, this is the Boolean relation, and we can create some new relations with the help of this Boolean relation. Now the principle of duality. In this only three things we have to take care. First, if OR is there then we will change it to AND. It means we will change plus symbol to dot. Second, if AND is there, it means dot symbol, then we will change it to OR, means plus. Number 3, 0 will be converted to 1 and 1 will be converted in 0. This is only the principle of duality. Only this you have to take care. Now few points with the help of this duality principle I am showing you. Like the first point, it is 0 plus 0 equal to 0, 0 plus 0 equal to 0. Second point, 0 plus 1 equal to 1, 3, 1 plus 0 equal to 1, 1 plus 1 equal to 1, as it is given. Now if it is said in our question that convert it with the help of the principle of duality, then its conversion will be 1 dot 1 equal to 1. What we have done, at the place of 0 I have written 1, at the place of plus I have written dot, at the place of 0 I have written 1, and at the place of 0 I have written 1. So I have interchanged OR to AND 0 to 1. Now how this will be converted, you can see this is 0, so 1 dot 0 equal to 0. 0 means I will write 1, plus means I will write dot, 1 means I will write 0, and then 1 means I will write 0. Now the same thing here, 0 into 1 is equal to 0, and 0 dot 0 is equal to 0. Now this is the simple logic, and you can think about this logic with the help of multiplication also. This is very simple, and basic postulates will be followed. Now with the help of this duality principle, we have to prove certain theorems, and these theorems are like this. First is property of 0, means 0 plus x is equal to x, number 1. Then number 2, 1 plus x is equal to 1. Number 3, 0 into x is equal to 0, and number 4, 1 into x is equal to x. Now you have to solve this with the help of truth table. You have to count the number of variables in this. Let's an example, the first equation. In this first equation you can see that this is simply 0 and x. So 0 means always it will be 0, and x will change, so it will change 0 and 1. No other condition is there. For one variable only two conditions are there. So if we have to find 0 plus x, 0 plus x means OR logic we will apply. OR means if any 1 is there then we will give 1. So no 1, here 1, and you can see this 0 plus x is equal to this x. That's why we have written 0 plus x is equal to x. Now likewise the same second one, number 2, 1 plus x is equal to 1. If I am saying like this, then 1 and x and 1 plus x, if it is like this, then very simple. 1 means always it will be 1, x means x will change, 0 and 1 only two conditions may be there. So for OR logic, if any one is there, then you will give 1. So here you can see 1 and here also 1. So you can see this column is equal to this column, means this is equal to 1. So that's why we have written this. So like the same, you have to prove the other two equations as well. This is very easy. Now the next topic is idempotence law. Idempotence law, what is this? X plus x is equal to x, and second is x dot x is equal to x. This is the law. Now how you will solve this? You can see only one variable is there, x and x. So x plus x, 0 and 1 maybe the same thing, 0 and 1 for this also. And if we will apply the OR logic, means if any one is there, then you will give 1. So in this both are zeros, any one, then 1. Now you can see this x plus x is equal to x, means if you have added, then also its value is equal to single x. That's why we have written x plus x is equal to x. In the second one, x dot x, you can see in this only one variable is there. So what are the possible conditions? Possible conditions are 0 and 1, 0 and 1. Now if any 0 is there, then you have to give 0. So two zeros, then you have to give 0. If 1 is there, then you have to give 1. Now you can see, if we have multiplied the number, then also it is equal to the single x. That's why we have written x dot x is equal to x. Like the same, this is the idempotence law. You have to remember this. Now the next one is involution. Involution. What is the meaning of involution? X double bar is equal to x. This is called involution. Now consider this x. We have to consider this. Now what may be the possible conditions? 0 and 1 will be the possible condition. If we are finding x bar, then simply it will be reverse of this. So 1 and 0 it will be. If we are finding x double bar, then we will reverse this x bar. So again it will be 0, it will be 1. Now you can see x double bar is equal to x. So that's why we have written x double bar is equal to x. I hope this is clear to you. Now the next is complementarity law. In this, x plus x bar is equal to 1, and the second is x dot x bar is equal to 0. Now for solving this, you have to see only one variable is there. So x, these are the two possible conditions. X bar, just you will reverse it, 1 and 0, and in this x plus x bar, then if any 1 is there, then you will give 1. So here it will be 1, here it will be 1. You can see this is equal to 1. This is very clear. If 1 is there, then 1 1. Now its value is also 1, so that's why we have written x plus x bar is equal to 1. Now in this case, x is 0 and 1, x bar is 1 and 0, and if you will multiply x dot x bar, then 0 and 0, so you can see this is equivalent to 0 and you will get 0. So that's why we have written x dot x bar is equal to 0. You can see it, it is very much clear to you. Now the next law is commutative. Commutative law. In this, x plus y is equal to y plus x, and the second one is x dot y is equal to y dot x. You can see in this two variables are there, means 2-bit number system you will use. So x and y, 0 0 1 1 0 1 0 1. You have to count the number of variables, then only you will frame this. Then after x plus y. So if any 1 is there, then you will give 1. Now you can see if I am adding y plus x also, then y plus x, if any 1 is there, then you will give 1. So you can see both are same. That's why we have given this equation. Now in this also, x and y, x dot y, so 0 0 1 1. So in this 0 1 0 1, these are the conditions. So in this also, if any 0 is there, then you will give 0 in multiplication symbol. So it is 0 0 0 and 1. Now in the same, y dot x, if y dot x means if any 0 is there, then you will give 0. So you can see both are same. So that's why we have to say commutative law has been proved by this method. Now associative law. Associative law, this is x plus y plus z is equal to x plus y plus z. Next is x y z is equal to x y z. This is associative law. Now in this, I am not going to solve the table. In this, 3 variables are there. So this is very much clear. In 3 variables, in the 3 variable, I will solve the next law. This is very simple, that's why I am not solving, because simple or and logic is there. So you have to remember this law. If you will add first these two and then after you will add this, then it will not affect the answer. Like the same, if you will add these two and then after you will add this, then it will not affect the answer. Like this, you will multiply these two, then after you will multiply this, then answer will be same. In this also, if you will multiply this and after this you will multiplying this, then the answer will be same. It will not affect the answer. Like the same, next theorem is distributive. Distributive law. X into y plus z is equal to xy plus xz, and the second is I am solving the second one after this. Now you can see here, in this is a multiplication and this is of 3 variable. So first you have to frame the 3 variable table, and this table will be valid for the previous also, because the method is same for both the laws. 1 2 3, this is 4, this is 5, this is 6, this is 7, this is 8. 0 0 0 0 1 1 1 1, y 0 0 1 1 0 0 1 1, z 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 1. This you have to remember. Now first you will solve this x plus y plus z. Y plus z means if you will get 1, then you have to give 1. So here 0 1 1 1 0 1 1 1. Now x into y plus z. Now in these two columns, if any 0 is there, then you will give 0. So here 0 0 0 0 0 1 1 1. Like the same x and y, in x and y, if any 0 is there, then you will give 0. So here 0, in these two 0 0 0 0 0 1 and 1. Now x and z 0, here 0, here 0, here 0, here 0, then 1 1 1 1 1 and 1. Then after we have to add these numbers, so these two, so x y plus x z. Now these two columns you have to add. If any 1 is there, then you have to give 1, because plus symbol is there, means our logic. So both are 0, then 0 0 0 0 0 1 1 1. Now you can see this was the first one and this was the proof. You have to make them equal as the equation given. Now in this what is coming? 5 times 0 and then triple 1. In this what is coming? 5 times 0 and then triple 1. So this is the way by which you will prove the laws. I hope it is clear to you. In this one more law is there that you have to note down it. X plus yz is equal to x plus y into x plus z. Now this is the first one, this is the second one. These are the two laws. So in this what you will do? First you will multiply, then add. In this first you will add, then you will add, then both you will multiply. So by this, it is a simple table, you have to solve this also. And the last law, it is the last law is absorption law. What is this? X plus x y is equal to x and x plus y is equal to x. So this is the absorption law. How you will prove this? You will first multiply this, then you will add. So you will get the answer like this. So in this one part I am showing you, and you can count the number of variables x and y. Only two variables are there, means x and y. So 0 0 1 1 0 1 0 1 it is. Now you can see x into y, x into y, so 0 0 0 1, and then after x plus x into y. So you have to add this and this. So this is 0, this is 0, this is 1, and this is 1. Now you can see this column and this column is equal. X is equal to 0 0 1 1, x plus xy is equal to 0 0 1 1. Now both are same, that's why we have written this is equal to x. You can see this means this column, its value is equal to the value of x, that's why we have written its value is equal to x. Like the same way it will be solved. Now I have discussed with you the laws which is given in your book, and in tomorrow's class I will discuss very important topic, De Morgan's theorem. Thank you, students.